So think about it like this. Am I happy with my life if there was no such thing as money? Is my life okay if I didn't have to worry about money? Is my life okay right now if I didn't have to worry about money? Some people will say yes, some people will say no because circumstances of like living in poverty or living in the hood or living in, bad places or whatever, those things will, make you say no to this answer. But are you still breathing? Are you still alive? That's what you have to think about. Am I still alive? Am I still good? I'm in good health. And health is on you, by the way. The health is on you. That's something you can change. Sometimes you might be born with certain different things, but 9 times out of 10 you can still live a healthy life, right? You can still, go to the gym or work out, do some runs or whatever the case might be. Health is on you. So with all this being said, you are in control of what you can do with your life. You're in control of everything. So do not let somebody else tell you because you don't have this or because you don't have that you are not living a happy life. Don't let nobody tell you that you need this to be happy. Now, when I say this too as well, this doesn't mean stop chasing. This doesn't mean stop trying to get this piece of paper or this digital currency, because this is how the world revolves around, sad enough. But if you actually take your mind away from thinking that this is what the world revolves around, even though it does, take your mind away from it and think like, okay, what can I do that can provide me with this? What skill can I learn that can provide me with this? So then I would no longer worry if I only get better at the skill. So now your brain is completely taken away from the money aspect. You're now chasing the skill. How do I get better at doing this so this will come? This is where you become obsessed. This is where you become hungry. This is where you want to be a perfectionist. Focus on that skill. Skill. Precision. Sharpen that blade so you can get ready for war. Sharpen the blade. Now, way back to the beginning, losses. You will sometimes lose a war. You will lose a battle. Let's say it this way. You will lose a battle. But that does not mean that you lost the entire war. That doesn't mean you lost the war. Stop feeling like just because you take a loss in life, in trading, in business, that is the end of the world. That is only one battle. That is only one battle that you have to face. Every day you wake up in this life, on this earth, I'm pretty sure the percentage, if I'm not mistaken, let's actually ask ChatGPT. Let's see here. You'll survive if you go outside. What's the percentage that you'll survive on Earth if you go outside every day on a day-to-day basis, right? I'm pretty sure there was like a statistic about this, like every time you step foot out your door is another chance in life that you're taking a risk. Let me see what the percentage was. Survival odds per day. That's what it is. Every time you step foot out your door, every time you step foot out your bed, sorry, I had something in my eye. Every time you step foot out your door, every time you step foot out your bed, is a chance that your last day might be that day. Right? You never know what God is going to do to your life, which is why you have to be grateful for what you have, but you're also willing to elevate and create and become a better person every single day. All right, so, oh, that's actually crazy. Maybe I was wrong. It's 99.9. Okay, maybe I was wrong. But I'm pretty sure I did see somewhere where it was like every time you do step foot out your door, your survival rate of living that day it starts to cut down every single day. And I like to think of life this way because then I don't want to waste any time. I don't want to waste any time. I want to make as much value as possible to the world. I want to share as much knowledge to the world as possible. I want to keep pushing myself to be a better person every single day. No matter how hard life can be, no matter how evil people can be towards you, I just always want to
Yo,
focus
what's up,
on
Z?
like, how can I be a better person every single day? Because when I sat down with myself,
You say Z, but
when
like,
I sat down with my brain, it was
do I have you on Snapchat?
it was more of like, dang, bro, you've really been through some stuff in life. You've really been through a lot.
Oh, Z. Oh, Z5.
But who am I to use that?
Yo, what's good, bro?
Excuse me.
I was like,
Who
what
am
the fuck?
I
I haven't
to
heard from you in a minute, bro.
turn around and be like, dang, because the world did me bad, I should do the world bad? Who am I? What type of person would I be?
My bad, bro.
To
Watching some
do
Psy right
something
now.
or see something
Hold on.
done in the world.
Trying to mark out this
And
chart
because it's done
too.
in the world,
I'm holding
I
these
feel like I
cells,
should
but
do the
I'm
same
starting to
too
see
as well.
potential buys if we
In
get a
that
close
way,
above
right?
here. So I don't know. Fuck,
With
bro.
good things, if you see somebody do good,
It's kind of
everybody
sketchy.
should want to do the same thing,
Nice.
should do good.
Lock in.
Just because you went through abuse or went through being homeless or just because you went through abuse or went through being homeless or went through, verbal abuse, bullying, social media bullying, or you've been through suicidal attempts, or you've been through domestic abuse, or you've been through the
I mean, I'm really
where
strong on these
gunshots are
cells,
ringing
though.
every
What
single
do you
day,
think?
or like, why would you want that on someone else? If you
Even
already
if I were to
experienced
buy
the pain,
here, I'd
why
have
would
to
you
wait
want somebody else to go
for
through that pain
like
too
a
as well?
closure above here, so pretty
And
much
like I
right
said, my
towards
camera
stop
is on
loss.
4%, but
Then I'll pivot on the other side of
I'm
that,
gonna
right?
pull out another camera, bro, because
Stop above the blue
I
line.
really do wish the best for everybody that watches my
Um,
videos, and
396896.
I just really want to see you guys win, bro.
Um,
I say this in the
and
bottom of my heart,
then
bro. Like, I don't want
also
anything
4
from you
hour
guys. I'm living a comfortable life. I'm living a
above
great life.
this
I
blue
live
line here.
well beyond well below my means to make sure that
395587.
I'm able to provide for my family, go out and
But I
help
mean, we
other
already
people
had bear
travel around
changes
the
to the
world.
delivery,
And
right?
I
Like,
can
there's no
buy
candles
anything
closing
that I
above. This looks
want, and I
super
can
bearish
buy
in my
this car, and
opinion.
I can buy this house. I can do that. But what purpose will that serve if I'm not giving value to the earth?
Right when
If
we
I'm not
closed
giving value
here,
to the world?
changed to
If I'm not
delivery,
giving value
came
to
back to
God's people?
retrace. Looks
Who
good,
would I
bro.
be?
How's your day been? Are you profitable
But
today?
man,
What's going on? Talk to me.
all in all, bro, this
I'm
comes
bored,
back
bro.
to the losses, bro.
I might even go to the
Don't
Discord,
beat yourself up about this, bro.
just
Some people beat themselves
chilling by
up a lot,
myself.
but this is nothing to beat yourself out. Like, why would you do that to yourself, bro? You're gonna live another day. You're gonna see another trade. You're gonna see another day. Be grateful for the day that you have. Okay, you took a loss this day. Okay, I took a loss this day, but I'm still living. I'm still breathing.
Facts.
I'm
I
gonna
took
live
a loss
another day. I'm gonna
yesterday.
see another day
I
so
was
can
up
trade.
though.
I'm gonna see another day in my
I fucked it
business
up.
so I can make it better the next day. Try again the next day. If that day don't works out, I can try again the next day. You know, like, just be happy that you're here, bro.
Facts.
I'm gonna switch to the other camera. We're gonna talk about some charts, man. See where we at on the
Yes. Charts. Let's go. Why is my camera
charts, bro. I
lagging?
just wish you guys would feel me, man. I just wish
So
you guys
ass.
feel me, bro.
I wish my chat was booming like that. Look how
Things
his
as well that
chat's
you really
booming,
just
bro.
gotta, like, you gotta look at it twice, bro, because shit don't be adding up, bro. Things don't be adding up, and you really just gotta look at it like, dang, like, wait a minute, bro. Like, I just wish you guys, like, understood, bro. I don't even think I'm like a philosopher or anything, but I definitely will say, like, I've definitely detached myself from the earth. I would definitely say I just I wouldn't even say stepped out my body, but I definitely stepped out of like the earthly body that I have and the earthly world that we're in. And I'm now more thinking from a standpoint of just like, I feel like every day I wake up, I feel like I'm like an angel or like a guidance or like a guardian or something. I wish you guys would understand how I feel. Like, I can see the world in like a different way. I don't know, bro. I don't know how to explain it, bro. I don't know how to explain it. And I want you guys to experience this feeling too, because like once you actually take a step away from the actual earth and see everything in like a limelight, you would definitely think differently. You would definitely think the way that I do. Or not even the way that I do. You would definitely look at the world differently. I hope ICC Mafia like is willing to grow together with me so we can all be on the same frequency and same wave and same mindset so we can change the world, bro. Cause bro, my camera died, bro. It's definitely like life is definitely way more than anything that we think of, and sometimes you just need someone to kind of test your thinking a little bit. And I want to be that person to challenge you to open your mind and overall continue to elevate as a human being, because once you start to open your mind, you're easily like you can easily see through things and make everything super simple. Like I think that I make my own life pretty simple, and I'm not saying I live the best life, or I'm not saying I'll just like I'm just all knowing, but I definitely will say that it's easier to process anything in life once you actually take everything in perspective of like, okay, life is not as hard as people make it, but let me try to make this simple for myself, if you get what I'm saying. But yeah, so we're gonna break down some charts for you guys, or I'm gonna break down some charts for you guys, because I do want to talk about overall Bitcoin, overall Solana, my gold trade today. So currently I'm in a gold trade too as
You're in
well.
a gold trade,
I
bro?
don't know if I told you guys
What?
earlier, but
Nice.
I'm in a gold trade now,
Please say sells.
floating. Oh, I'm still holding, so I'm floating right around. I don't know if it's gonna pick
What's
that up, but floating right around like
show me?
$1.1 million.
Nah, I gotta go back.
Bitcoin, overall
Show me that, bro.
Solana, my gold trade today. So currently I'm in a gold trade too as well.
Not like I care
I
that
don't know if
much,
I
but
told you guys
I just want to
earlier, but
know. Just want to know,
I'm in
bro.
a gold trade now, floating. Oh, I'm still holding, so I'm floating right around. I don't know if
He's
it's
in a
gonna pick
sell.
that up, but
Let's
floating
go.
right around like
Let's go,
1.1
chat.
million dollars.
Let's go.
And
Hold that shit.
all in all, like
The fuck?
I would definitely say that once you start thinking of everything from a simple standpoint of things, like trading becomes easy to in itself. But let's break down some charts for you guys. Let's, just
He hasn't traded
finish off
gold in a
this vlog.
while.
I'm
I'm
kind of
surprised, bro.
like I'm in a state of awe, like Ollie. Like I'm in a state of like watching. Yeah, bro. Life is like look at this, bro. This is what I'm thinking about right now. Look at all those people down there, bro. Everybody's living a different day-to-day life, bro. No, some people stressing, some people going through life, some people happy, some people depressed. Look at that, bro. All those people, and this is nothing right here. This is like, there's a few 200, 300, 400 people down there, right? Look at way back there. Look at over there. Millions of people. Look at over
Facts.
here. And this is not me trying to flex my view either. But like, look at all those potential people in those skyscrapers and buildings and offices and all types of things. Look at this. So when you actually think about it, bro, like there's a lot of pain in this world. There's a lot of happiness in this world. There's a lot of depression in this world. Us as ICC Mafia, bro, like, and I always say mafia because mafia is like a family, bro. Even with like the actual mafias and cartels and gang members, they act more of a family than human beings, where we all share the same characteristics and same features. We treat each other like we're fucking aliens to each other. So if you're with ICC Mafia, you're just I'm basically, when I say that, I'm basically saying you're family, bro. We're all family. We're all traders, or even looking to become traders, and we're all family, because there's not a lot of people in this world that want to come together and put things together and help each other out. So that is why, we call this ICC Mafia. It's not just to be cool. It's because like we are family. We're together at the end of the day, and we're gonna stick by what's right at the end of the day, bro. Mafias, cartels, they all have codes of conduct. right? Our code for ourselves is like we're here to spread the positivity and something that has so much negativity in it. Trading has such a negative outlook on it, but we're here to make this a positive environment. So, yeah, man, like if you made it this far, you're truly fam. Comment family or something. Yeah, comment family, bro. ICC family, ICC mafia, bro. But yeah, man, let's break down these charts, bro. This is crazy. I'm low key kind of sad, bro. Well, I wouldn't say I'm sad, but I'm definitely like, dang, bro. I really just want to change the world. Some way, somehow, bro. I'm telling you, some way, bro. Some way, somehow, we are going to change the world, brick by brick, country by country, state by state. It's gonna happen, bro. It's going to happen. It's bound to happen. It's destined to happen, bro. Destined, bro. All right, so a lot of people are asking me about the gold trade that I took today. So my entries came from right around this level here. I'll post it on the screen right now, but my entries came from the break of this level. First, we had an indication under this level that price can be bearish. Once again, the indication does not have to be big. It doesn't have to be, it could be small. Any type of indication showing that some type of reaction is going to be had from under this level. So from under this level, we had a reaction from here to here. So that is my indication. Price is showing me that once it breaks this level of buyers, so break this level of buyers, from here, it will end up going down to 3,971. So price ended up fluctuating a little bit between here, coming back to this level, and then I ended up selling once again under this level. Why did I sell here? Honestly, I would say that just because I seen price come back under this level again or fail to break above this level, I knew that sellers were trying to push the market as much as possible under this level. So I felt super confident when taking a trade under this level. My trade came from right around this level here, and then I had my stop loss above this level here. And the reason I put my stop loss level there is because if price was to break above this high or just break above this high in general, then it probably would have built back up and tried to correct or try to go for a buy later on. So then, as you can see, London session volume actually carried the rest of this trade out and ended up causing price to have a new low. I am still currently holding this trade because price made this new low. My positioning is up here. Once again, this is where I'm talking about positioning. My position's here. We already made a new low. We can see that price is correct. But the reason why I'm so, intrigued in holding this trade for a bit longer is due to the fact that this
Yeah,
level here, or
Sai is
even
live right
using the
now.
body
I'm
closes,
pretty sure it's a live.
this
I'm not.
level
I'm not
was a
really sure
support
what this
level.
is. It says
So all
Premiere.
in all, this
It's a
ended up
live.
becoming
I'm
a
pretty sure
level
it's
where
live because
buyers
people are
and
talking
sellers
in the
were
live
in
chat right now.
control. So
Yeah, my bad. I didn't see that. I don't know if I read that late. Yeah.
really not too much to have right there, you know what I'm saying? So not too much to really go off of because we have buyers here, sellers here. So even taking this trade here, me counting on price to end up having that volume and pushing was very risky. But in my head, I'm thinking, hey, price is under this level. It's already broken out of a level where buyers were in control above here. I feel more confident in taking sales every time price is under here. That's the thing with me. I try not to think too technical or think too much about the trade. If price is under or above a level where it showed previous reactions, so if we already seen that price is sold from under this level, if it does it again, I'm most likely going to look to take that trade because I'm going to just look for that reaction to happen again because the chances and the probability of it happening again are very high because there's no more buyers. So these buyers that were here to push price up, this buyer here that was here to push this and make this wick, those guys got wiped out. So now I know all buyers are wiped out. This level here is my next level of buyers. So if price is here selling, the next level is going to go to is this next level of buyers. So if I'm selling from price from here, so price sold from here to here. Again, if I'm selling, I'm looking for price to go from here to here. Once again, looking for the same thing. So with this, we have a new low. New low in the market indicates that under this level, price is looking to sell down to this level, right? So we have price from this level all the way down to this level. So
Nice.
now price is sitting at that level after a correction. Normally, I know that corrections give a little pullback. Once they give a little pullback, they end up falling back down
So he got
and
into this
creating
before it actually
a new
pushed down
low.
like that.
Let me make sure that,
Yeah, no, we
yeah,
should be good
this
then.
should be
I'm
here.
holding this down to
Okay.
here. I wasn't even looking for
So
ICC.
normally
This
when
is
price makes
perfect.
this new low, price has this correction. Correction can normally come back above that level, but back under this level, I know price will be bearish again. So I'm looking for price to go bearish again, and then later on creating a new lower low. And now I have this target, which is coming from this 4-hour time frame. I'm having this target here due to the fact that this is a level that I seen buyers have price come and push up from this level. This level here too as well, push up from this level, but that level has already gotten taken out. So as you can see here, let me turn this back black. That level has already gotten taken out. Price has already made a new indication above below that level, and now we have a correction. So next, we'll be looking for a continuation back down, which will then cause us a new lower low. So with that being said, that is why I sold gold today. BTC, I still think BTC is bearish. If we look at this daily time frame, this is a level. So 107 is a strong level of buyers. As we can see here, buyers pushed out the correction. So next, we'll be looking for a continuation back down, which will then cause us a new lower low. So with that being said, that is why I sold gold today. 7, but the price ended up pushing up. I ended up getting stopped out because I wasn't using this lower high as my stop loss. I used whatever this was at first. Um, So I do think BTC has potential to go down. Definitely looking at every other pair or every other crypto as well, and just seeing like, okay, the structure looks bearish. Like this looks bearish. This doesn't look like price is wanting to go up. Look at the difference between this when price is going up compared to what's going now. We have lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high being created. This level here was a bunch of consolidation after running out of steam. Even when we go look at this, it just looks like price ran out of all steam that it had when it sold off. Look at this, it ran out of all steam. So right now, I think price is trying to get itself together, collect itself together, but I will be selling crypto once again, because I definitely do believe that crypto is going to take that dive. And I'm just overall looking at the analysis or technical analysis of it, and I'm seeing what I'm seeing on the charts, and I'm trusting in that higher time frame to play a role later on, and we'll see how that goes. But pretty much it for the trades that I have open. Yeah, and I continue to look at these, and I didn't think I was going to trade gold, but it kind of presented that opportunity, so I was willing to take it for just looking at the reactions of it. Wasn't ICC, but we definitely had the indications that price under this level was going to give us some selling pressure, so I took advantage of that.
The fuck happened? Bruh. Is it done? It's not done, right? That's it? I think it's done.
I make my whole home your home. I know there's no such thing as too many s'mores. I have a responsibility to make every stay amazing. I am a Verbo host.
What am I doing? Oh yeah, so he was live. The videos.
What's up, guys?
Or it
Back
wasn't
on another
live, it was
video.
like a premium.
It's been a while since I sat down and talked to you guys. I think it's been like a couple days.
Let's watch from the beginning,
I try
because I
to
never
stay as
saw the
consistent
beginning.
as possible on this YouTube stuff.
I'm
but
down
this
to
feels
watch,
like a
because bro, we're
full-time
not really
job.
doing anything other
And
than
every time I'm
holding this
speaking
trade,
to you
you know?
guys, it's pretty much raw
not
and
really thinking right
authentic,
now.
because I have no like notepad, like there's no notepads, there's no chat GPT, bro. All this is just straight knowledge off the top of my head and past experiences that I've been through. First and foremost, actually, we're going to shake a little bit of the haters, matter of fact. So today I actually got a withdrawal of 450,000, as you can see there. Can you see that? Let me move my face out of here. But I just got a withdrawal of 450,000, and you know, just gotta keep them shooken up, cause like I love people on the internet, bro. They always feel like they know everything. They feel like they know everything.
That's facts.
Right? They know my social security and everything. Anyways, just gotta keep those guys shaken up. So just let that one sit there for them. That's for them, not for y'all guys. ICC Mafia, I love you guys, but for the haters, yeah, just
Wow.
like let that sink in with you. Right
Where is
quick.
my mic coming from?
Anyways, but this previous week I lost right around like $4 million in a trade, and I was holding that trade for like 11 days. So the big topic of this video is really going to be like the mental side of this. I don't lose a lot, and this is not like an ego thing, but I don't lose a lot. I'm a swing trader. I trade off the higher time frame, so my losses are very rare because I'm looking for the overall trend in the market, and the market can only go one or the other way, both ways, so up or down, and that's like a 50-50. So your odds of making one of them right is very high, right? Being right. So with all this being said, I took a loss this week after holding for 11 days, and I was explaining this in the Telegram, like, to me, losses really don't affect me like how it would if I was a beginner. Now, mind you, in the beginning, losses also didn't affect me as much, only because you knew the risk you was getting into. Most people, they don't understand, like, when you lose and it hurts you, that means that you've put a little bit more risk than you can eat, or you've overall knew that you was in the wrong and you still did it anyways. Those are normally the two common things that people forget when it comes to losses, and then they say they have this emotional attachment, or this like emotional pain because they lost. You are either too married to that trade, too married to that bias, or you just overall risk way more than what you needed to chew down, and it ended up biting you in the butt. And now you're like, damn, like I lost way more. Now I gotta kind of start all over. So those are some common things that people are always like, when they take a loss, that's what always hurts them. So with me, I've used to do that when I was a beginner, but I've stopped doing that because you gotta think about it. There's almost like, what is it, like
What's up,
220
Green?
days out of the year, 220 business days out of the year.
You never messaged me about that.
You have 220 days out of the year to get into a trade and be profitable. Think of it from this standpoint. Price could either buy or sell. Also consolidate, but buy or sell. When it has volume, it's either gonna buy or sell. That's already a 50% and 50%. So whenever you get into a trade, your chances are 50-50, to be honest. Right? Your chances are already 50-50. If you take that 50-50 and you put that inside of, like, let's say 220 days, your chances of coming out with 50% of that win rate, or just overall 50% of any type of like win in general, is very high. And I'm saying this, and the numbers might sound confusing, but don't get confused, right? You have 220 days. Prices
Yeah, no
are going
worries.
to buy or sell. Some days consolidate.
It's a mental
buy or
warfare.
sell.
So just watch this video with
Just because
me.
you lose
Hang
one
out with me.
doesn't mess up your
I might
odds
join the
of
Discord
actually
call
being a
soon.
winner.
I'll let you know. Just kind of
Why can't I make
mellowing
changes
out.
without an admin
Today was kind of wild, up and down, up and down,
Monday
up and
comes
down.
intuitive-
So I'm just kind of chilling, holding this gold cell.
One of these
I'm not
days
gonna
you're
try to
be a
scalp
winner,
it.
and this
That's
is
how
what
I gave
want
back
to
most of what
touch
I
on.
made. I gave back about 50% of whatever
You
I
do not
made
have to
today.
make it feel like trading is
So I'm still
something
up,
where it's
but
like one day and that's
there's
it.
reasons
Like,
for that, and
'cause
I
know
gotta
some people out here think
sit
like,
on that and
even when they're in a great
not force trades just because I'm on a stream. If anything, we can all hang out and watch Psy or something, you know, we can watch videos together, but I'm just gonna hold my trade and that's it. Like, trying to scalp when I don't do that,
trade, they feel like
No bueno.
this great trade is going to be their only best trade in the like entire.
just hang out with
history.
me, catch
So
a
then they start
vibe.
stacking positions. They start trying to.
I hope you're in this gold cell.
Buys and sells in their
He's in this
current
gold cell
position.
too.
They start over leveraging. They start over trading it. You know, don't get
Yeah,
out there.
it is
hold
what it
too
is.
long, or
You learn slowly, right? You're gonna develop that skill over time. Don't worry. Don't
They're
beat
cutting
yourself
their
up.
losses short. Or they're cutting their wins short because they think that it could reverse. So they have.
It's
like,
funny how you literally just said that, and look what he's saying.
when it comes to winning.
Yeah, you should. It's at entry. It's pretty much at entry. Like I'm in profit, but it's like right there. You could still get in. You could still position yourself very nicely. Sai is also in this. He went over that in the video towards the end.
It's
And he
a lot
just-
of
he just
psychological
dropped this.
things that kind of messes with your brain when you're winning, and
He's
also
probably
when
still
you're
in this.
losing,
I'm not 100%
right?
sure.
But I don't want you guys to get in the habit of
550. Okay, I'll go back to it, but I'm gonna show you like that he's in this.
trusting in that higher time frame to. You can see here. Let
See?
me turn this back black.
I'll just show you quickly.
So now I know all buyers are wiped out. This level here is
See,
my
it's
next
gold.
level of buyers. So if price is here selling, the next level is going to go to is this next level of buyers. So if I'm selling from price from here, so price sold from here to here. Again, if I'm selling, I'm looking for price to go from here to here. Once again, looking for the same thing. So with this, we have a new low. New low in the market indicates that under this level, price is looking to sell down to this level, right? So we have price from this level all the way down to this level. So now price is sitting at that level after a correction. Normally, I know that corrections give a little pullback. Once they give a little pullback, they end up falling back down and creating a new low. Let me make sure that, yeah, this should be good. Okay. So normally when price makes this new low, price has this correction. Correction can normally come back above that level, but back under this level, I know price will be bearish again. So I'm looking for price to go bearish again, and then later on creating a new lower low. And now I have this target, which is coming from this 4-hour time frame. I'm having this target here due to the fact that this is a level that I seen buyers have price come and push up from this level. This level here too as well, push up from this level, but that level has already gotten taken out. So as you can see here, let me turn this back black. That level has already gotten taken out. Price has already made a new indication above, below that level, and now we have a correction. So next, we'll be looking for a continuation back down, which will then cause us a new lower low.
Yep.
So with that being said, that is why I sold gold today.
Anyways, yeah. So he's in it right now. I'm pretty sure.
You guys to
'cause
get in the habit of
where we're
thinking
at
like
right
a
now,
loss is something like it's like
we haven't
"Oh, this is
really,
the end of the world. I'm the worst
you know,
trader." That's never
got that
the
continuation. It went
case. I want you guys
halfway.
to
It shot
think
down
a
at
loss
market open.
as a simple fact is
Like
like
as soon
okay,
as market
my
open, it shot
positioning was
down,
wrong,
and that was it. So
or it was the wrong timing because sometimes you guys can't.
I take that as like, cause that doesn't normally happen, right? So because it happened, it's like, okay, it happened, but ignore it. Don't FOMO. Don't be like, oh, I should get in it now. It's just like, understand that the market just opened, and so for it to shoot down there, that's cool and all, but it was gonna take its time anyways. So it came back up, pretty much to where it was in the first place, and now we're gonna take our time and actually go down there with time, not just shooting down. That was crazy. That was so crazy. So let's just wait. Be patient.
And be right, but it could be the wrong timing, right? Previously, I personally still think crypto is going to crash. I personally still think that. That's just my personal like perspective on it, but I personally still, I'm done saying personal. Anyways, my positioning was great. The timing of what I wanted was wrong. So, if I know the timing is wrong and I know that there's 220 more days or more days in the year to trade, wait for it another time. It's going to be another time. I tell that to myself a lot. If I know I'm wrong, the timing is off. The structure's there, the bear structure's there, but the trade it's not right now. That's not the time yet. Then who am I to go back into markets and try to force
I'm in
something when
drawdown
it's
now.
not the time. There's always a time and a place for everything. And this comes with life too. I tell you guys this a lot in the videos, like life and trading mimic each other, because the life or the trading
hold on.
life you have is
That
going
got
to
hit, so-
bleed into your normal life, vice versa. So they're both going to bleed into each other, and you're going to learn some lessons.
Let's dissect this. Let's just see what happened here, because we did have an alert that got hit. Why did that alert get hit? 15 minute, so that was 4 hour low right here. This blue line got swept into FEG. So this, we would want this to close here. If we close there, then I'll take this buy up to that high up there. So right here, I'll make these a whole different color. I'll do like purple, purple, boom. That's it. Nothing crazy. I'll still be in this cell. That's what's crazy about this. So TP isn't even at stop loss. And we don't have a confirmation yet, but we have 17 seconds. So we can start to lock in on this. Just checking where we're gonna be. Stop loss there, enter there. 3952. I want to come back down first. Tag me in. So we're trying to get tagged into this and then go from there. I'll just buy it now. If we go lower, I'm going to buy it again. 395227. Let's do 3952. $39.70.40. So we're gonna buy it again. 3952. Stop loss 3952. TP 3970.40. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. I'm still in this cell as well though. So it's tricky. It's like a little scalp, you could say. Not a scalp, but I'm ready for both. Because like if we could come up here, we could still take TP, still stay in this trade, and then go back down. Make money, and then be happy regardless. Because I do have a feeling this is going to come up. We do have a bullish FEG. We do have external liquidity sitting up here. So maybe we take external liquidity up here, then run down to the lows. Let me go to the other account. 3952. 397040. $397040. No, we're gonna do 397030. Matter of fact, we're just gonna do 3970 flat as the TP. No point in playing with those little decimals. Just chill. Just take it how it is. Where's the music at though? So I found out that this is not gonna get me copyrighted. And this, I love this song.
Imagine being able to
But the other ones are gonna get me.
just by thinking
It
about
might. I don't know.
Read
Maybe it
page
just didn't at the
44.
time.
A complete
I find it funny. As soon as you got into gold cells, it shot up. I'm still in cells, so it's confusing what I have drawn here. I know, but like you know, I'm over it, bro. I'm not trying to impress anybody. I know what I see. It makes me money. I really don't care.
I just fucked up on my trips, bitch. I don't have test. 3 and 10 for the Maybach inside the garage, ain't come off luck. I got bored of that bitch in a week. I had a Menard, then bought a truck. I can't stretch it out. If you fuck on my bro, I don't give a fuck. Real piece out, don't be tender. If your bitch pop out with us. I'm in the Hellcat making dust. It ain't no sorry, what's your problem, nigga? Come show me it's up. We outside without no guards, nigga. It ain't no one but us. And I ain't saying I'm bulletproof at all. I'm just saying I can't be touched. Nigga, yeah. Money flowing down the drain. She won't fuck what I can't fuck right now, little bitch. I'm high off drink. 1.2, this is what I spent on drink. It still ain't hear my pain. In the strip club, she a flower. She can't grow without no
I don't really know.
cup full of drink. It ain't no dry zone. If I don't that means I pulled up on my hoes. If I'm driving by the lights too slow, that means I'm pouring up a fold. I keep niggas out my circle, all that square business. I'm gon' put it in their face, make sure they really feel it. Bitch, you a driver on that drill, you ain't even kill it. Yeah, in the yo with pink, might lay in some fake bitches. While in New York, I hear those blokes dress me over fashion.
Yeah, it's hard to see because I have a bunch of shit going on. Right? Like I have a lot going on. But if you know what I have different colors for everything, right? So this purple is one zone. The yellow is a whole nother zone. Don't worry about that one. That's a whole daily zone. That's a daily range low. I didn't even bother marking out the high of that range, just because. Actually, I don't even know why. I should have. But I mean, if I go to the 1 hour, I'm not worried about that until we close above this yellow line up here. Well, it's a blue line. Sorry, hard to say. So this blue line right here is the high of this candle that purged the low, right? That yellow line, the low of the daily. So that yellow line is the daily candle low, daily candle range low. Purged it. That candle up there, if we close above that, then I'll look for a swing trade, right? I'll look for buys. If we don't go up there, then we don't go up there, right? We're just focused on what we're focused on now, which is our buys and our sell, which is kind of crazy how it's happening at the same time, but it is what it is, right? 4 hour range here, and a 4 hour range up here as well, this orange line. So this 4 hour range up here, right, the orange line, and then down here the orange line is that external liquidity. I didn't bother even marking out the low. I could have marked this out, right, as my orange line here. I could have marked this out instead, but I'm marking out the external low. Okay, so taking sells with the understanding that we're inside of this FEG, right? We're inside the FEG, this black box I just drew. So we're in a bearish FEG, swept the high, taking it to the external low. But then on top of that, we also have a bullish FEG. So it's kind of tricky. So bullish FEG, we come into that, sweep the low to take it to the high there. So that's why we have a buy as well, which is doing well right now. I'm okay with taking both because I'm going for a 1 to 4, right? So I'm bound to win one or the other, maybe even both, but I'm bound to win one or the other. So if I could do that, I'm gonna come out on profit. You see my point?
If you know a rat, expose a rat. That shit that make me mad. I'm convinced these niggas ain't street for real. They let these niggas pass. APE, that's me, that's us. That APEK, we gon' crash. EDB, that's me, just left from enemies. Figures with no flash. How many rings inside that bag, inside that cat, the same as a dash. That's the reason I can't slow down. This shit moving too fast. Baby, how you doing? Better. Baby, I'm tired, whatever. I want a shot, whatever. Buy it, whatever. Whatever you need, it's a shortage on my drink right now, baby, my lean on. Don't need nobody to lean on.
I'm good with both. If you're on futures, you can't do this. Buying and selling, right? You can only do one or the other. However, I do think the sells are more dominant just for the fact that we are on a downtrend. So I don't know. I didn't risk as much on this, by the way. My sells have like double the risk. This right here, I ended up risking slightly less than that. If we win, we win, bro. I'm happy to win either way, bro. That's money. It's 230 on a small account, and then that's gonna be like 10K. No, that's gonna be 22K on my big account. So it is what it is, bro.
Take these drugs by instructions, I abuse them. I never have a bitch run me at all if I can't use it. I told him, keep that shit a buck, but baby, I don't need your two cents. No, I keep my circle tighter than some skinny jeans, no loose. So forgive me if you made sorry, I just come here to 2 cents. Added up what I spent on drink this whole year, could've bought 2 bins. I'm 25, secluded my whole life, only had 2 friends. I'm gonna talk about this little essay off from Houston, he the new trend.
We're going up, let's go. Like, I don't know if you guys can see this, but I'm up 6K on 2 positions. So I'm up 12K on those two buys are up 6K. Might be hard to see. And it's backwards. Just believe me, I'm up 12K on both of those, and then I'm only down like 2,000 on the other one. 14 now. 14,000, and then I'm down 2,000 on that one, so. Hey, I'll be in profit either way, especially if I win this trade. Now, what would suck is if I lost this buy and still lost this sell. But we have liquidity on both ends. I'm targeting liquidity down here and I'm targeting liquidity up there. How can I lose? It's gonna go for one of them. Talk about this little essay off from Houston, he the new trend. We tried everything we could, but we not getting no more. We gone. Been through hell, you make me feel as if I'm wrong for moving on. I do anything to please you. Quotations, I don't need you. Different people, this won't ever be a happy home. Alexa, stop. He's gonna hold it. My man is no punk. I was thinking about closing it, but it's like, it really is going for that. And then once we take that out, I could really look for sells and I can chill out. I want to actually erase my chart. I want to clear my chart, please. Especially if we get stopped out of the sell.
too selfish with my bitches, know they mine on mine. I'll never take these drugs by instructions, I abuse them. I'll never have a bitch run me at all if I can't use it. I told them, keep that shit a buck, but baby, I don't need your two cents. No, I keep my circle tighter than some skinny jeans, no loose. So if you give me from that sour, I just come here to 2 cents. Added up what I spent on drink this whole year, could've bought 2 bins. I'm 25, secluded my whole life, only had 2 friends. I'm gonna talk about this little essay off from Houston, he the new trend.
Oh fuck, it's coming down. It's going up there, bro. It has to. It has to, right? There's no way it doesn't just go up. Plus, look at all the highs. Look at all the bearish candles we just broke past. Alright, like right 1, 2, 3, right here. Changes to delivery. 12 seconds left on this. But change to delivery, change to delivery. If it closes up here, even better, even better. The more higher, yeah, but even then, like it's already above this high too. Like you just gotta use logic. Like we're closing above highs. There's no need to close this. Closing above this high, right? So even if it comes down, it's like should be chilling. Should be. 14 seconds. Sorry, we closed.
Sometimes you gotta realize.
I don't know, it's a second.
What they seem like they is. You know, we
FEG here.
Hop in the car skirt, I'ma do the dance for him. We'll get into that cash. Right around, dropping off the pay. Back seat, hit her in the leg. I wasted some time trying to help the blind get out of the maze. It's holding me back. But it's holding me back. Yeah. Wasted some time trying to help the blind get out of the maze. It's holding me back. Saying I changed, cause I ain't no wrong. I'd rather change than be where you at. I'm in the north side with the pink white Maybach, playing with them racks. Having my way when I walk in the mall. I wanna blow me a bag of sex. I wanna love, I wanna change. We was in love, you know, on the blind. Took some losses, but it's part of the game. And we were never really thinking the same. Get to the set, hop on the plane. I'm living life in the fast lane. Could've been here when the bag came. I wanna change your last name.
I wanna change your last name.
Baby, can you give me all your love? I don't got time to give you no love. I'm going hard, I'm running it all. I've been hurt, so I don't love. Yeah. I've been hurt like multiple times. I'ma get up, get back to the grind. They say how you doing, I tell them I'm fine. I get up there way and I pound on mine. The shot she cool, but she ain't no ride. She like how I rap, but ain't holding me down. 3 in the morning and you hear my line. And I ain't think that was our last time. Hop in the car, check out the brain. My money blue with a little romaine. I used to love to lick on your body, but I ain't gonna bring up the past, babe. I pick you up whenever you fall.
He's spitting. Lick your booty. Hold on. What? What did he just say? He's gonna lick her booty. Whoa. You a free creep. Really thinking about closing the buys, but it's not worth it, dog. It's not worth it. I get the itch too. Trust me, I get the itch. I think about it, and it's like, what's the point? We didn't come this far to back down, bro. We're close. Close. Close as fuck. This high wants to get taken out. This high right here wants to take it. Take that shit. Take it. You want it. Take it. First news first. First news first.
My bad.
First things first, I did it. Bro, if I knew that was your bitch, I would've still hit it. You think cause I rap that I ain't with it. Police talking on the phone about some real business. 15 million for 2 albums, boy, that's real business. I know the devil working on this bitch, we still winning. Helicopters on.
Okay, now it's different if we sweep this high.
You gonna start some shit you want, that baby will.
So we're gonna watch this 15-minute chart. Like if we sweep the high of this candle, I still might hold it because we're so close, right? But it hasn't swept it yet. We got 11 minutes left. We're able to push past. Even if it comes down, I'd still want to see Kiki. If you ever think you ring me, she woke up on the water, now she's sinking. Get a ting ting. And honestly, I'm starting to think about formulating a plan where if I see a buy opportunity, I close my sales, but I haven't got enough data to prove that yet because it's still valid. It's just this high wants to get taken out, and it sucks because like our stop loss is right there for the sell, right? Look, it's close. Come on. Oops, no, forgot I had that out. Down. Yeah. Yep. So I like to see. I like to see that volume. It's coming up with aggression. That's how you know. These big candles, big candle, bah, bah, bah. Push it, bro. So close. Just gonna close. Wait, 179. I'm thinking about closing it, but not yet. We're not like that. Because I'm going to close it, and then it's going to go anyways. There's really no point in closing it. Past due. Hot as meat. Yeah. What do you do? Shift 50. That shit for scheming. You hear me? Slide. Yeah, just my own. Roll that. That's it. Get clean the grip. Yeah. Your headache. For thinking these jeans, you really like. Look at that. Catch a vibe. Man, I don't. If we close above here, then that's good. Oh my eye. Sweeping the high though. Used to that. Oh, I see that now. No, we're closing it. Shift 50. Double bet that shift for scheming. I'm just gonna close it. Profit's profit, bro. It's right there. And I'm actually happy that it's looking like it's gonna turn around. I just there's not much left on the table, but I just know it's gonna come up there still. It's not no, obviously, because I wouldn't have closed it, but I wish I didn't check this. Because if I didn't check this, then I wouldn't be tripping. But like, you see how we have the candle that purged this high, the orange line I just drew. So we purged the high, then we closed below it. So it's looking like sells again, bro. I might even just sell it again up here. Yeah, bro, we're gonna just sell it again.
There's more to love with YouTube Music Premium. Listen to ad-free songs and discover new podcasts anytime, anywhere. Try it free of charge.
Wait, is there a wick there? I can't even see shit. Oh, there is a wick. I hate this chart, low key. Okay, look. Not this chart, but like whatever colors I got going on. I like the colors, but I need to chill because like I can't really see shit. I could either be greedy and go for a 1 to 11 on some crazy shit, or I can give myself hella room and be safe. This is where the thinking comes in. why risk that? Because if I lose, then I'm losing 2 trades. I'd rather go for 1 to 4, give myself space. Then if this one loses, this one has a better chance of winning. You feel me? Hard to trust in these streets. Yeah. It gets hard to trust up in these streets. I can't. No. It gets hard to trust up in these streets. I ain't trust no one. Oh, we're getting copyrighted for this for sure. Alright, anyways, we're gonna Buzz be up in 79.87. I was feeling lost. I ain't even eat a lot. I had to make a lot. So high. I miss my soldiers. Building to building, I just let up. Stay up. Lay up. No, I'm cool with the take us. Shake some. Alright, I'm in it. TP1 is gonna be right here. 39.28. We'll just say. We'll say 39.29. TP1 39.29. No days off. 39.86. Yeah. So we're gonna sell this. TP1 39.29. Right. Stop losses 39.87. Let's just say 39.87. That's why you can't be high for this shit. You gotta lock in. 39.87. 39.87. There's a lot going on here. I'm just entering on like multiple accounts at this point. I have 2 accounts. 39.87, 39.87. And then we're going to go down here. TP. You're good. Oh, I didn't see that chat. 38.87. He rather go and blow a bag instead of re-up. You weren't on that block when that shit was going on. I wasn't worried about the other side when that shit was going on. And we don't hang with different niggas, no access what we on. The only time we'll be the case, we pull out camera phone. I used to draw little my name on the styrofoam. I had to teach the grown niggas right from wrong. Why the state had told the jury they tryna indict us all. The lawyers got them out for Davis, they better sign them all. I had a bad bitch off the ground, she let her titties hang. She told bands I brought her a burger, and I told her anything. I was running around with guns in that Billy thing. We putting stickers on our drums, that's a city thing. I hate the niggas who be trying to switch the block up. I be with the killers who would change a nigga roster. I'm from the part of the city, watch your partner. You ain't did shit to the same nigga who shot you. Before you leave that door, gotta pick a Glock up. Can't nothing no more whores. I got that from my mama. I'm shutting down the stores. You do that with these commas. They had me on my lords. I'm riding around with choppers. It's crazy because sometimes you'll see these opportunities like this, and then you'll realize you saved yourself. I'm getting stopped out or whatever. Because right here, that purple line, right? We need to cross that purple line. That purple line was our TP, right? So if we don't hit that, you'll know like that was never for us. We saw an opportunity on a lower time frame. It kind of gave us an indication that price wants to now go down. If it doesn't, it doesn't. But we understand what we're looking at and what we're looking for, what price is trying to deliver to us. Gold is heavily manipulated, yes, so it could come up, sweep this high, but it's bearish as well. You have to understand we are bearish. We already swept out these highs here. Broke structure, broke structure. So I think we're good.
Did it off the love, but I gave them faces. Close that back door, can you shake that by my home? Close that back door, cause I know that this phony. Close that back door, can you shake by my homie? Close that back door, cause I know this love phony.
J Production.
Close that back door, can you shake that by my home? Close that back door, cause I know that this phony.
Sorry, the music. Is the music loud? Can someone help me? Help me understand if the music is too loud. If the music's too loud, I'll turn it down.
I was like, Russell, I'm so rich. He's like, you are? I was like, yes. I was like, you're rich. What do I do with all this money?
In my opinion, he's the best marketer who ever lived.
We were so broke, and my husband was Uber driving just to support us. We're there in that apartment, and I make this janky video. I launched the janky video where I'm explaining my very first offer. Like you had taught me just how to do it. People responded. That week, I think I made $18,000 that week.
If you want to persuade and influence people, if you're in sales or marketing, you want to get people to move and to buy something from you, understanding how their brain works is the key to success.
The whole way through, I was just doing what you were telling me to do. Russell said to do this, and I'm going to do this.
Over the last 20 years I've been doing this, I've been watching people try to learn how to sell online. The most fascinating thing is most of them do it wrong.
The GOAT of the marketing industry.
New York Times best-selling author, collects books.
His ideas have literally shaped, crafted, and molded how we view modern-day marketing.
But also, everything he does is with integrity.
The backbone of everything I've done so far is all based on one thing, and that's selling.
3987.
And during this process, we're going to go deep into subconscious selling, and it's going to change everything for you. This is the secret, this is the key, this is what people don't talk about, because people don't understand it. And that's the reason why I created a 3-day event where I'm going to show you how to sell online. It's the most valuable information that I know. This is a 3-day event. It's happening live, and there are no replays, but you can watch it from the comfort of your home, anywhere you are around the world. So whether you're starting from scratch or you're looking to elevate your business, secure your ticket down below today. It's the one thing holding people back, learning how to sell.
Oh shit, wrong way. Wrong way. I read the numbers wrong. Ignore that.
Stop buying courses, but first things first. Let me build your store free today and then give you my courses completely free. Now, I have an AI store builder that we've created that we've been using with Shopify now.
Fuck, I'm reading that so wrong right now.
And they pay me to let you
I'm tweaking, bro. What am I doing? 39.
20 hot trending products that are yours to start
29.
selling, right?
Ugh.
And I'm going to give you my courses completely free. No upsell funnel and all of that stuff. It's just a store that is built, that is optimized, that's ready to go, that is 100% yours. I don't own any of it. I don't take any of the sales. And Shopify pays me a commission. I'm awarded the most innovative commerce coach in the world by Shopify. They believe that I'm one of the best at not only building the stores, but teaching you how to use them. And that's why I have this deal. I don't have to sell you anything. Shopify is going to pay me. And here's the thing, if I don't perform, 90 days from now, if you cancel your store, Shopify doesn't even pay me. You have to keep your store for 90 days for me to get paid. I'm highly incentivized to help you win with this store. And again, my services are free. All you have to do is simply sign up for a Shopify account. I can't get your Shopify account for you. And then click, go to the next page. You'll create a free account with our store builder. It'll ask you 2 or 3 questions like, what color do you want? It'll generate some AI banners for you. And then
nice that. Sorry, I was punching the stuff in my Discord. In the Discord, guys. Sorry you had to sit through that ad.
you got so much on your mind that you can't sleep right. Run up 50 million, somehow still ducking this street life. Set the hood on fire and they put cameras on our street life. Got a lean appetite, if I don't smoke then I can't eat right. I'm a father rapping, hustling ass nigga, I live 3 lives. I'm a young black man, so to society I got 3 strikes. I've been trying to change my life for real, but it don't seem right. Heard the odds been popping out at clubs, give Brody them the green light. They get flipped. Magic City ass niggas see them, they get stripped. Acting like they wouldn't know they ain't, I just don't get. I try to put my foot in your shoes, but it just won't fit. When you got George Lloyd's worth 7 figures, the charge won't stick. And anytime I feel uncomfortable, I'm up in my blick. Went to the White House, made the president for my niggas in the system. It's kinda crazy that we beef and I got love for your sister. But I've been somewhere counting money up so my hand get a blister. And I've been thinking about stealing your heart, but I'm still iffy. And we've been fucking from the start, but now this shit feel different. I know you're tired of hearing me talk, but babe, I need you to listen. You started all this shit from none, look how I ran up them ditches. Yeah. Plain clothes spitters. Yeah. From elementary to middle school, I'm with the same niggas. I never say nothing sour about you, cause I ain't bitter. Okay, if he got $1 billion, I'm still realer. We call X-Pill Skittles. Percocets, this my last time trying this shit. I hope it worked. I did all that for you to turn sour. Hope it was worth it. If you pray together, you stay together. I took her ass to church. And I done ran out of handouts. Better take your ass to work. And I call it how I see it. Hope I don't come off as a jerk. Man, my dog made a little bet for 100 bands. He won't take a perk. Me and my dog got an understanding for 100 bands.
I be scaling through the trenches, trying to tell real from the fake. Really had to master have a distance so I wouldn't fall for the bait. Young niggas slipped through the system, couldn't fall victim to the state. We made sure the hood ain't and still fell victim to the hate. Had to find my confidence, cause I'm that nigga, no debate. And I faced the consequence for always handing out my plate. I was working around the clock, I told my bitch I'm gonna be late. Real hustler, I lost 7 figures, now I'm having 8. Yeah, now I feel like Jay the Blueprint. Now I'm in LA in new whips, riding in the land with 2 sticks, taking all my kids to Roof Chris. Heard the block say they miss me. Gotta stay free, I keep distance. I've seen a laugh, who missing? Swerve still a slide, who dissing? I ain't never lied, cops know the slang, I don't know the vibe, who snitching? Prior to the side when you went broke every single time, who fixed it? I was on point for the team, had to smoke joints as a dream, had to mix perks with the lean, still was the first at the scene. I was fucked up mentally, but I said some shit that hurt, I ain't mean. Hoes don't mean shit to me, I know that they'll take a break before a ring. Woke up crying out my sleep, I had to pray off my demons. Next day I went to fuck up 50K off at Neiman's. My OG say she don't like when I'm in the rack, I don't need her. But I still go back to make sure shit intact, I'm a leader. Went to gladiator school, I'm a meter. In attendance, had a bag for my repentance, I'm decent. If I gotta up my strap and let it clap, I don't need it. Call my lawyer up with 500 racks, I'ma beat it. I can't speak about some shit, feel like it never happened. Niggas really out here snitching and ain't still rapping. I'm a natural born savage, I ain't average. Never show my weakness, so I'm weeping while in traffic. 6 matches in, I come from sleeping on a mattress. Men don't respond to Instagram, I let them have it.
Looks like my pillow's glowing. So I was just looking at how that looks in the camera, and then just ignore me. Just ignore me.
This is a place where we thrive together.
I'm back normal, like a start from scratch. My heart so Then I ran up on this 5 hey, they hate on me, I don't see why. I'm spreading my wings like a fly. I'm feeling for money, can't stop. I keep my fire like a stove, no pot. She sucking dick in the back of the light. Hey, she put her top down, come drop it. I give her wood and I'm headed to Holly. Hustling that nigga, my bitch boy riding. Pockets too full, need a plumber, they clogging. I can make money from Memphis to Raleigh. I can make money from Memphis to Charlotte. I can make money from Memphis to Cali. Go to Atlanta, treat that like violence. Little bit from Texas, got built like a stallion. Cold ass nigga, but all my hoes hottest. I told the word, I ain't shit like an artist. Only see me for a bag, I'm a Martian. Benjamin Franklin here, break out blue carpets. Kill everything that I do, I'm an arson, bitch.
Yeah.
Kill everything, I'm an arson, bitch. Cook out the fire department, ho. I walk around with a motherfucking stove. I ain't going nowhere without my pole. I take this fire where I go. I can make money from Memphis to Raleigh. I can make money from Memphis to Charlotte. I can make money from Memphis to Cali. Go to Atlanta. down the tree, they were like filers. A little bit from Tessa, got built like a stallion. Cold ass nigga, but all my hoes hardest. I told the word, I ain't shit like an artist. Only see me for a bag, I'm a Martian. Benjamin Franklin here, break out blue carpets. Kill everything that I do, I'm an arson, bitch.
Bitch.
You know your business better than anyone, right? So why not build an app to run it with Facebook?
So yeah, the music's not that loud, right?
This app solves your business headaches, tracking invoices.
Talk to me. Talk to me.
I'm in a room full of bosses. You know everything costly. When you said that you had lost me, but I hope you was just talking. I want 100 mil in my coffin, put me right by the walkers. I waited long night, long days. I had felt like stalker. I had shots aimed at my head.
So see, it came up to that external high right there. External liquidity. Took it out. Should be good now. Should be good. Yeah, so we took it out. It's kind of hard to see. I just had to move those out the way, but you see that we took out that high. 15-minute. I'd want to see... Alexa, set an alarm for 4 minutes. So this candle right here. If we can close below it, that would be confirmation. We already have a trade, right? But like, I'm just saying, like, we swept and then we're sweeping it again, so it's like, this technically would be a close above this FEG, but I'm not really tripping about that. If we can, yeah, this whole thing here is in an order block and we already pushed down. Excuse me.
Legato cinematic strings. Ooh, hold on. We are going to pull up Co-Producer, which is the newest plugin from Output. Listens to your track, you give it the key, type in a prompt, and then it gives you a bunch of suggestions. It's gonna listen for 4 bars. It's gonna figure out what our vibe is.
You can be as specific as you want with this thing.
Groovy percussion.
Let's see what we got.
Okay.
That's already fucking sick.
Okay, that's starting to get there. Yeah, keep going. Oh, hold up. Hold the phone.
We're not playing.
Absolutely not. Put it on the timeline.
Throwing it on. That's how simple it is to do that. This is like low-key what we do.
Every single time I'm making something, I'm just throwing Co-Producer on there.
This is how we're making beats. So.
I literally use these tools every day. We're going to be using a new feature that's within Co-Producer called Reimagine.
This is great for creating alternate parts for something you already have.
Oh yeah, remember I said if we close above this high? I messed up. Wait, was it that one? Hold on. Yeah, if we close above this high right here on the hourly, then I'd be interested to take it back up.
I paid the cost to be the boss, ain't nothing coming free. I abuse shit, drinking perks to IOD. Just cause I'm D, charge up gas, baby, about 43, they pay it. Bitch, we cool, but when they ask you if you fuck with D, don't say it. I get shit done, no guns involved, unless they call me and I okay. 24 told me that you out of bounds, cause I'm out of town, so he got to spread. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going.
Alexa, stop.
Keep going, keep going, keep going, yeah. I put the drink in the 5-hour energy bar.
Alexa, set an alarm for 30 minutes. Cause we'll take buys up, bro. I ain't playing, bro. I'll take that buy all day. Like, if you see this low that got swept into this FEG, right? Never came into it again till now. And then and then it's like, the only thing I don't like is that we closed below this FEG, so it's like, but I would still want to try a thing back up today. No problem at all for me to take that. That's if we close above there on the 1 hour. And if that happens, I don't know, I might keep my cell open. We're still bearish. But that would be another 1 to 4, so it's like, we'll be up. We'll be up regardless. So are we gonna close above there? That's the question, right? We gotta close above this candle here, and I don't think so. I set an alarm for 30 minutes. I have to check in on that. If we can close above there, that would be my confirmation to take a buy, a long-term buy. So I would still hold my sells, because you want to see what this buy would look like? That buy would look something like this. All right, TP all the fucking way up here, and then I go for a 1 to 4. So this would be like this. So it's not impossible for me to take the sell still, right? Like I can still hit the sell, be in hella drawdown on this buy, flip, alright, and still go all the way back up there, or at least halfway. Right. But even if we lose the buy, I mean the sell, I'm not tripping. Niggas won't see me proud, that's just some shit that I can't do. I got O with me in the booth, on fire, do shooting out the roof. I don't think so if I tell murder blower right now, you fuck. We got 3 cells going on right now. 1 from here and 2 from here. 2 smaller positions here, 1 with the TP down here and 1 with the TP down here, and then 1 position here with a TP down here. So 2 TPs down here, a TP2 and 1 TP1. Anyways, I don't know what this is.
Yeah, super wiz out here, man. Cooking up motion, the best, the wizard, you know, him, that man.
My head is starting to hurt, I am not gonna lie to you guys. It's because of this fucking light. Can I turn this off? You can still see me, right? This fucking light's just been in my eye the whole time, bro. It's not even a ring light. Like, what if you had this in your eye all day? How would you feel? Fuck that. Fucking eye hurts.
I'm with a cougar, don't call my name. She got me little baby. Before all them Glocks, equipped with them bullets, I had a 380. Smoking his
Still valid? Sorry, I didn't see that. The cells are still valid, yeah. I think Sai is still holding this. I'm not 100% sure if he's still holding this, but this is the reason why I'm looking for buys now. Let me break this down for you, because here, I'm gonna save it and I'll just delete this. The reason why I'm looking for buys now, not necessarily the buys, I'll show you why I'm looking, like if I get a confirmation why I'd be looking for buys, but because of the cells. They're 93.84. Oh wait, what? 93. Oh, 39. 39.84. Up there, yeah. So you should be good. But like, look. Yeah, no, I got you. So look, the 4 hour, right? I'd be selling it based off of this high being swept, right? Into this bearish FEG. Okay, so we went into this bearish FEG, right? This internal liquidity, if you so will call it internal liquidity. Okay, so we got we went into internal range liquidity, right? And then we swept this high. This whole range was actually taken now that I think about it. So if we go down to the 15-minute, we got our entry there based off of the first candle that comes out of there. The same entry model I always look for, right? And then we would sell it off down to there. I'm actually realizing this now. That whole range already got taken. What I was looking for and hoping for, though, was this low down here, the external range liquidity, to get taken. Now that I'm seeing this, though, it's starting to make sense. I might actually have to just close my cells. I'm thinking closing cells, but like we took internal range liquidity now on the buy side. Took out external liquidity up here. I would want to wait for a confirmation. I'm going to keep my cells, right? Always use good risk management, but I understand why I'm in these cells in the first place. What I would like to see... Oh, and I think what's going to happen actually is this high right here is probably going to take in, and then we'll go and maybe see it flip. But by then, I think maybe we'll see. Honestly thinking these buys. I might have to go heavier on these buys. I might do like I might do more risk, not more risk, but my maximum risk that I allow myself to do. If we get a closure here on the 1 hour above this yellow line, then I'll take buys. Like, because look, this low got taken inside of this internal liquidity here, right? This FEG here. So we took internal range liquidity, right? Sweeping this low twice actually. And then if you drop down to the 1 hour, you see where we took that out, right? So this is the first time price came out of that low. If I mark out the high of that, if I get a closure above here, right, that's going to be my change in state of delivery. We already actually pretty much have change in state of delivery. Actually, no, we kind of already have change in state of delivery from over here. Change in state of delivery, pulled back, could be buying. I want to say close the cells. I really do want to say close the cells, but at the same time, who's to say? Because we are bearish in a bearish trend. All right, ever since this level got broken, the sellers took control and market structure shift occurred. So it's very tricky right now. It's very all over the place. Take your time. Use the good risk management. I'm gonna hold my cells, but looking like we do have buys coming in here. I'm sorry, I know it sounds so confusing. But you'll see what I mean. I'm not trying to like play both sides just because I'm not sure. I'm sure of both, but that's the problem. Because we still have liquidity sitting down here. Right, like we came in here, took out this internal range liquidity. Maybe it comes up here and takes out this internal range liquidity. But down here, ultimately, there's liquidity sitting down here. And then there's liquidity sitting all the way at the top there. So it's very... Oh my gosh, it's giving me a headache. Gold is not being fun right now. Does that make sense? If it doesn't make sense, that's fine, because it is confusing, bro. Let me load the chart up again. Wait, I want to see that for a second. What did I have marked out there just for fun? I just want to see. Yeah, see, I had the buys marked out from down here even, and then like officially now, even now, like this trade I could have still been in. Took partials at halfway, put stop loss at break even. It wouldn't have even taken me out at break even. Right, but that's a play that happened a while ago, and I finished with it already. Right, but it wasn't actually done. I could have still been holding this, and this is the goal. So I think we're gonna come up to here. Let's see what happens. The fuck is going on right now? Bro, what is going on, bro? I had a whole chart saved. Maybe it's just meant to be that I don't have that chart ever again. The green one. Okay, no, it's still there. Damn. It's still loading. Yeah, I don't know what to tell you guys. Sells got stopped out of that position there. I would say the sells are not valid anymore, bro. Yeah, I'm closing the sells. Yeah, I'm closing all of those. Yeah, I'm chilling. I'm gonna just look for the buys, bro. Because right now... Remember, gold is super bullish. Why would we want to, like, play against the grain like that? We're not playing against the grain, bro. We're gonna go with the grain. So the highest point here is our external liquidity. Right, and down here is our internal liquidity. Yeah, so the daily range low. And then up here, that's where we'll take it to. I'm not tripping, bro. I actually don't mind taking a swing trade here. Yeah, that's the trade I'm going to take right there, guys. $38, $63, $29. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. $38.63. Yeah, I'm gonna call that out in the chat. And then I'm gonna go to sleep, guys. Bro, today's been so hectic, man. I'm sorry. Like, gold is all over the place right now. I should have seen that, to be honest. And like, we're still dropping on the dollar. I still expect the dollar to drop. I don't know if you can still see my screen, whoever's still here. I'm sorry, I just ate my mic. But the dollar, I'm still expecting it to drop. So let's just see how that goes. I'm gonna take this buy. And I want to hold a trade for a few days type of thing. Because I'm going to be pretty busy this week. Alright, I hope you guys are good. I'm going to just post this real quick. Let me just finish up posting this in the Discord. Hold on, I'm actually going to do something. I'm just going to check this out. Put this here. Put an alert here. 41.56.20. $41.56.25. $41.56.25. And then TP2 will be up here, 43.75. Just gotta chill now, you know? And anyhow these sells play out, I'm gonna be so like so livid. But I don't think they will, bro, just because of what's going on right now already. Other than the fact that we're bearish on here, everything else is pointing towards these buys. I could be wrong. I could be really wrong. Do your own research, right? But I also understand gold's going to be dropping for a bit. I mean, the dollar is going to be dropping. It's already pretty weak. So my analysis for the dollar is bearish. Let's just keep that momentum. All right. Alright guys, have a good night. I'm gonna end the stream there. And I don't know why this schedule's there, but I'm gonna end the stream there. I hope you guys got something from that. We did catch a good buy. Sells were kind of like teasing us a bit there. We have 9 more minutes left on this hour candle to close above this price here. If we close above here, then buys are confirmed, but I'm already in. I already understand, because I'm trying to go to sleep. I'm going to go to sleep right now. We'll see what happens. Yeah, fuck it. All right. Have a good night, guys. I'm gonna